It's Sunday. I've got like so much to do today. The clock's changed so we can pretend that there's an hour more of sunlight. Yay. It doesn't change the fact that it feels like it's 10:30 in the morning. But we got some new Shibui tunes to do today, so I'm excited about that. I am not thriving. Not only did the time change happen and we deprive an entire nation, except Arizona, of 1 hour of sleep, including myself. I don't do well when I don't get enough sleep. And I've been working so hard at fixing my sleep. And then they just go and take an hour away. And I have to start my Sunday at what feels like 9 in the morning, even though we pretend that it's a reasonable time and we pretend that there's an extra hour of sunlight at the end of the day. No, not only that, but I have been dealing with an incredible amount of nausea, like for a couple days now, and I think it has to do with this medication that I'm on. Do you know what it's like being nauseous like all day? That being said, anyone who's watching this, if you've ever been on an SSRI that makes you incredibly nauseous, please let me know, and let me know what you did, because I
am not doing well.
Yeah, I know it's Tuesday. I don't even want to talk about it. It's like cool to have stomach issues, right? Like that's a cool thing. That's a trendy thing that we're doing. I don't know what is going on digestively, but I am in distress. But at least today I didn't have all day nausea. I just had a little tummy ache and I was really brave about it. Anyway, I've got to teach a lesson in 7 minutes over Zoom, and then we're gonna practice. I just found out that we have sectionals tomorrow in wind ensemble like a few hours ago. So I need to practice my wind ensemble music and my Juventus music because we've got rehearsal for that on Sunday. And I was gonna go out tomorrow night, but I think that would be a wee bit irresponsible with the amount of music that I have to learn, and also with my tummy, the way it's behaving. Like if I was feeling in tip-top shape, I might be able to go, but I am not feeling in tip-top shape, and I am far from it. So I am just gonna take care of myself this week. I'm gonna be responsible, even though I don't wanna be. Send help.
In this building. If your floor evacuation signal sounds after this message, walk to the nearest stairway and leave the floor.
It's a gloomy day, but my hair looks good, and it's my stepdad's birthday. Colin is inside a chocolate shop because my stepdad is a chocolate fiend. If you're ever in Boston, you have to go to LA Burdick's, the best chocolate. But we're going to Providence, we're going to a Peruvian restaurant, and I'm illegally idling. And there's someone trying to pull in behind me in not a legal spot. You're not legal either. I'm just here. Floating. Wow. What is that, a Porsche? A Bentley? Whoever it is can't drive.
Make a good one. Yay! Some things he asked me about, and I would say,
Uh-oh. They found me. OOTD, teacher fit. Yeah. I totally forgot that a bunch of my students had a concert today. So they're not coming to their lesson, obviously, because they have a my shoe is broken? That's embarrassing. Drinking my coffee as per usual. Whenever students don't come in, I just kind of do like student-related stuff. And if there's no student-related stuff, then I practice. But tonight, I'm actually gonna practice when I get home, because I've got rehearsal tomorrow. Actually, I don't have a break. Oh no, I do have a break. I've got a break in 2 hours. So I'll see you in 2 hours. The best teacher appreciation thing that you could do, besides money, is lunch. And I just got an email that there's food in the kitchen. Let's go. What even has this video been? Just me feeling like sick for 5 minutes? Like, is this even gonna be 5 minutes long? Like, what have I even filmed? What is even worthy of being... If you're watching this, like, no offense, but get a life. I am totally at a loss when I don't have a gig. It's like there's nothing else of substance here except for practicing and preparing for a gig. In fact, we are being interviewed as part of like a Meet the Beasts campaign with Improbable Beasts. And I'm looking at some of the questions that are being asked, and it's like, what do you do in your spare time when you're not doing music? I literally don't know. I need a hobby, but I'm too busy for one. And like, I can't say that like for fun I work out or do yoga or go for walks, because like that's so boring. Like, what is something about me that you would be surprised to know that's appropriate? My stepdad's birthday was super fun. It was nice to get together. But yeah, it's just been a weird week for me. The next video, there will be a concert. It will be the typical concert vlog. It'll be back to normal. I don't know. I guess I'll practice. I kind of want to take a nap. But like, I know if I take a nap, I'm not going to want to practice. But like, I know that if I practice, I'm not going to get like anything meaningful done. And it's like, do I even need to practice? Like, I feel good about where my music is. But like, I want to get in that last practice session, you know? And if you're wondering, the tummy problems have subsided. We are feeling okay. We are at our best. We're taking an anti-anxiety. I had a bath a couple nights ago. I'm not gonna film a bath and tell you about it, but like, I don't know, Colin was out. I ended up doing 3 loads of laundry. I took a lavender Epsom salt bath. Like, I'm taking care of myself. Baby steps. My sleep though got completely derailed, so I need to fix that. But we'll continue working on it. This is a journey of self-discovery and self-improvement. I'm sorry we didn't do anything fun, but you know, I hope you like hanging out with me. I'm gonna continue on with my Saturday. Tomorrow we have rehearsal. Tomorrow I'm gonna start a new video. We're gonna start fresh. We're gonna start fresh, and tomorrow's St. Patrick's Day, so I don't know, what do you, the top of the muffin day?